Hello guys, today in this video we're going to show you how to find how much RAM and install it on a computer, industrial PC or laptop. So as if we want to find how much RAM and install it on a computer, industrial PC, it's very easy. First click on start, after click on settings. Now click on system. Left panel, scroll down, click on about. Here install RAM. Add GB. Usable 7.77 GB. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to find how much RAM in installed on a computer, industrial PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.